right, here we go. We are continuing on our series, on our Memphis SEO YouTube series. This is more ideation. We haven't really started yet, so part 2 of the ideation. All right, we are going to, I'm here on the Greater Memphis Chamber website, and we've got this business directory search here. And we have all these businesses that are members of the Greater Memphis Chamber. And the thought is, if they're joining the chamber, they have a interest in their brand and how they're seen in the community. So now that I see how these are actually segmented out by the type of business, this is even better, because I can go through by these categories here and go through each category, and it'll be beneficial to you as a business owner to watch the category that you are in. And the reason I say it that way is because if I jump around categories, if I look at businesses in order by the same category, then for example, if you're a hardware retail, and I do 10 hardware retailers in a row, then that is very applicable to you. But if I do a hardware retail, and then I do a bank, and then I do an attraction, then you might be able to pick here and there from that. But the takeaways that directly apply to you would be a little bit more spread out across more content. Great. Thank you for the categories, Chamber. All right, I guess let's so we need to extract these in an attempt to stay organized. But let's look at what does a category page look like? Well, this does not have them grouped. All right, so if I go to like banks, what is more? Does more give me all the categories? No. All right. Oh, there they are. Oh, wow. Okay. Well then, how many are in? There's 307 that are banking equipment. Oh, we have to hit search. 231 banks. 1 billing services. What I'm trying to figure out here is the best approach to look at these different categories. Well, and I bet we don't get the categories unless we click into, do they give us the categories on this page? I'm guessing these are the categories. We might need to scrape the entire list and then organize them after that. So what is the best way to agricultural, fishing, and forestry? There's 14. I think we're going to have to crawl each of these pages. Okay, let's crawl. If we're going to crawl each of these pages, we might as well grab that. This is already getting more complicated than I was planning on it being. So, okay, let's take a step back. What would this look like if it were easy? Okay, we're going to do, I'm in agricultural, fishing, and forestry. Okay, that's that top level. I think I go by the top level, 7, and then depending on how many they're found, like utilities and environment, there's also going to be crossover apparently on the categories. You know what? This might be just like we should start here. Like I think we're going to figure out. So utilities and environment, but first we're going to export all the links on here, and here's why. Export incomplete and export complete links. Open this up, and the last one is utilities and environments. What happened to our, here we go. So this just grabs all the links on the page. And we're looking at anchor text. Anchor text just means what's showing up on the website that you click to get to the link. And we're looking for that utilities. Here they are. All right, I'm just going to delete everything else out of here. There's that. And then we'll delete those. Delete those. I gotta remember to just do the uppercase and more. There, why am I starting from the bottom? All right. Now, let's see. We want to remove these rows though. Where is the? Okay, it's after all these letters. Okay, advertising and media. Right click, delete. There we go. And then delete. 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 After doing this, I could probably just throw this into ChatGPT and how to do it, but whatever. Alright, and then delete these. I do have a hard stop when a meeting begins, but I'm waiting on someone to arrive, so be ready for an abrupt, okay, I gotta go. Alright, and woo! Alright. Oh, that legal one will be interesting. Delete. Excuse me. Oh. Delete. Okay. Whoa. In hindsight, we probably could have just filtered this, but all right, here we go. So we've got the URL. I don't see any capitals in there, so let's take it over here, paste it in. All right, we're going to ignore advertising and media because That is I think that's the least actionable. I'd rather do it for business owners that aren't looking at the Google search results every single day anyway. Okay. Well, do we end the video here, or do we? Well, let's just go ahead and we'll start here. And figure out our, okay, so if there's 17, if we're doing 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes each, isn't bad. Again, we can, ooh, you know what? Oh, well, we gotta click into each one for the website, because these just have map. What I was thinking is the easiest way to get, you know what? We don't even need the website, do we? We just need this. And some of these have a little description and some don't. So what if we I'll do this here. Nope, we want to rename this. Rename. And let's see if they show up as headers. That'd be the easiest. Oh, they don't have the page formatted like that. We can do links though. Again. Well, let's just try that. Let's see what this looks like. So export. I don't know what the incomplete list is. If that's just the body or what. What we got here? I think we just need the anchor text for business. Okay, so let's see. View on map A to Z. So 0 alpha print. Trying to figure out what's the last thing before the list. InSafe Inc. is our first contestant here. So if I find, there it is. Okay, so print is the last one. So we come up here and just delete that. Oh, and there is my meeting. Pull in the driveway. We'll just do this, delete, and then we really just need that anchor text. Copy, paste. We can also data. Okay. We'll pick this up next. Now we've got our list. We'll start working down our list.